Hello student, I welcome you all in today's session. In today's session we will see one of the grammatical part which is very essential in order to understand degree. In this degree we have to see the some of the adjectives of comparison and how their different forms can be formed and how they are used we have to understand in this topic. So look at now, before starting actually we will see some sentences are there. So look at now the following sentence I am reading out here. Yatin is Yatin is strong. Second, Amit is stronger than Yatin. And the last one is there, Praveen is the strongest of all. What kind of common thing you find here? In the first sentence, strong. In the second sentence, stronger. And in third sentence, you will find strongest. These three different forms of the adjective are occur there. Their forms are changing along with the meaning of the sentence. So, how these adjectives are formed and by which title, by which name they are known, we have to understand in today's session. Strong, stronger, strongest. So let us see. In the first sentence, here you can see now, Yatin is strong. The adjective strong is in its simple form, and therefore this strong which is shown here, actually it is a positive degree or base form of the adjective, we can say. Second, Amit is stronger. Here you can see now in the second number sentence, adjective stronger is occur there. It is refer to a higher degree where there is a comparison of two nouns are there. Which are two nouns here? Amit and Yatin. These two nouns are compared here. So therefore, as there is a comparison between two nouns are there. Which are the two nouns that I have already mentioned here? First is Amit, second is Yatin. And therefore, this form, this adjective stronger is known as the comparative degree, and generally it is formed by adding er to the added to the basic adjective. So here it is being given there. Now we will see the third sentence. Praveen is the strongest of all. What is there? Praveen is the strongest of all. Here it is being given. The adjective form here we are studying is the strongest. Here you can see now. Now in the third sentence, the adjective strongest refers to the highest degree. Here you can see now the strongest, right? Means no one is as strong as Praveen. Therefore, we have to see that this is the strongest degree of comparison is already given here. And look at now, one of comparison of one with the more than two nouns are there, and therefore it is known as the superlative degree. So in this way we can understand one adjective can be used in the base form or basic adjective. Second is comparative adjective, we can form there by adding es to the basic adjective. Similarly, we can also form the superlative form of that particular adjective by adding est to the basic adjective. So this is the degrees there. Now one table is being given here. You have to complete this table with the help of the dictionary or from other source, and again you have to learn the different forms of adjective which you have written in this table. I hope you understood this. Thank you.